Hi guys, welcome back to our Oukitel YouTube channel. So today we'll be showing you how to expand virtual memory on your Oukitel device. Not all Oukitel devices have that option to extend their virtual memory. So first things first, we're going to go to settings and then you scroll up or down depending on how your phone is, and then you go to memory. From here you'll activate this button and say yes. Okay, and then as soon as the phone restarts, it will land you on this page. Then you put your SIM pin. After the device had restarted itself, then you put your screen lock password, and then you go back to settings to see if what we did worked. So go back to settings, we scroll down or up depending on how your phone is, and then you go to memory expansion. And then you increase memory expansion. You increase. It's up to you if you want it to be on 6 GB or 12, or it's up to you. So that is important. And this, and then everything's sorted. Your memory is expanded.